my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I will be filming my BOXYCHARM, and it won't really be a BOXYCHARM unboxing or anything like that. It's actually going to be just a makeup look on my box. Like I mentioned multiple times, my box come in really late in the month, so I feel like everybody's already seen what's inside the box. I'm still going to mention the products that I got as well. I'm going to be showing it on here, but majority of the time I will just be putting on my makeup. And I created this look with the products that I got in there. So yeah, I really hope you guys like it. I like it a lot. If you guys are interested in watching how I got this look, then please continue watching. Why is it that every time I film I have a pimple right here? Alright, so I got foundation on, and I am going to dig into the BOXYCHARM products. So let's go and just dive into the eyes. I do have this crown palette. This is right up my alley. So this is a pretty simple palette. It doesn't have any names at all, so I find that kind of odd. Usually they would add names on this, but it's just all black, sleek, and it just has crown right here, and then it just has the shades. So yeah, it's pretty simple, not bad at all. So yeah, it doesn't have any names. I'm just gonna go and point to the shade in the palette, and I'm going into this kind of orangey shade. It has a nice size mirror on here as well, so I'm pretty much going to be using that. But this is pretty pigmented. Using this as my crease shade. Just popping it right there. Yeah, this is actually really pigmented. For the outer corner, I will be going in with this shade right here. It's kind of like a darker berry shade. Alright. So I'm putting this right on the outer corners of my eyes. Wow, that is super pigmented. Definitely have to tap off the product. Alright, so we are going to cut our lid. My soft ochre paint pot from MAC. This always does the trick. For the shade that I am going to put on the inner corners, I'm going to be using this shade right here, the beginning part of my eyes. Then I'm going to just stop halfway. Same to the other eye. I'm going to pack the color onto the front of my lid and midway stop. Then towards the outer part, we are going to be using a different shade. I'm going to be using this shade right here, this outer shade. It's nice. It's like a nice pinky shade. It's a little bit harder to work with to show up. And it just needs to pack in a little bit more for that to work. Now I'm going to be using my Omega Tintastic bronzer from Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs right here. So I've zoomed out because I will be focusing on the face now. Look like this. And this is in the shade 05 Desert Rose. Not too bad of a color. Peachy, so which isn't too bad. Wow, a lot of product came onto my, oh yeah, a lot of product came onto the brush. Don't want to go too heavy-handed with this product. Just go ahead and bake underneath. Let's go on to the brows, and for the brows I got this Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So it looks like this. I'm going to pop this open, and we have like a little brush on this side, and then on this side I have to twist it open, and I guess the product is in here. Product slowly picking up. I feel like the brush is a little bit flimsy, so it's kind of hard to control. Alright, so brows are done. I set them with my Gimme Brow Plus from Benefit. We are going to add this crease shade color that we had on earlier underneath the eyes. The next color, we are going to that burgundy, dark burgundy shade that we have for the outer corners of the eyes. And we are going in with the Pretty Vulgar The Ink Gel Liner. And then for the inner corners, we are also going in with that white shade right there. I feel like this shade is a little bit more chalkier than the other ones. I have to kind of build up for it to show. For lashes, we have this product, and this is the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. So I've never really tried anything from Wonder Beauty before, so I'm kind of excited to try this one. You kind of have like a curl to the brush. Oh, it helps the lashes goes up for sure. For the lashes, I am going in with my House of Lashes Iconics. So we are going to finish off with some highlighter and some lips. So I'm going in with the MAC Hyper Real Glow. Go in with this golden highlighter right here, and I'm going to put that all over my cheeks. Forehead as well. Going to be using my Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I'm going to end this look with a Laura Lee Los Angeles liquid lipstick, and this is the shade Jaybird. Alright, so that concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually accidentally put on Topless instead of Jaybird for my lips, so I added a little bit of Jaybird onto my lips to make it a little bit darker because it was definitely lighter, and I did not realize that. until I finished filming it already. So yeah, my apologies for that. So that is what I got in my BOXYCHARM. This is the look I created with the Crown Brush palette. I really like it. I think it was really pigmented. I love the color scheme. Yeah, it's pretty ordinary and simple, but that's alright because it is in my BOXYCHARM, which cost me only $21. And we also have 20% off Wonder Beauty. The code is WonderCharm07. And Pharmacy, we also have 20% off your next purchase, and you just use the code CHARM20. So if you guys are definitely interested in those two brands, you guys have 20% off. Yeah, and that is all that I have for this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!